Alrighty guys, so my phone cut off for some reason. But that chainsaw did start, but it's too tight on the chain. So, alrighty, here is the weed eater that does not start. Alright, I'll explain something. Okay, so this weed eater right here is mine. My dad's is right there. And I just keep that one in there for backup if I need it. This one here, they both do this whenever they get hot. I think it has to do something with the vacuum in here. But whenever they get hot, they don't want to start. You have to give them about an hour or so, and then they'll start up just fine. The SRM 220, this one right here, yesterday it started spewing gas out of the deal. You can see, if you can see all that on my trailer, that's some gas stain. That's all the gas that came out of it. This weed eater here is going to need